किले पे आग लग गई भाई।
As people woke up on Tuesday morning to the aftermath of a massive blast in the historic Chandni Chowk area of Old Delhi, the walled city wore a deserted look. Shops were shut and the area was beefed up with a heavy security presence. The road leading up to the blast site, which lies exactly opposite to the Red Fort, was cordoned off with a heavy police presence. Personnel from other security agencies like the Forensic Lab were there, in addition to officials of several agencies. On Monday evening, the area was rocked by a massive blast. The blast occurred inside a slow-moving I-20. It took place at the intersection where the historic Chandni Chowk meets the iconic Red Fort. A few arrests have been made, and the Delhi police have invoked the UAPA or Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Forensic evidence and intelligence inputs pointed to terror links, and Home Minister Amit Shah has asked the agencies to hunt down the criminals. In the lanes behind the intersection where the subway was locked down and shops were shut, Ward seller Sushil Garg said the deafening sound took place around 6 p.m. on Monday evening.
सुशील जी, कल धमाका किस टाइम पे हुआ था? उस टाइम पे आप क्या कर रहे थे?
6:15 थे। हमारे पास कस्टमर खड़े थे, हम घड़ी दिखा रहे थे उनको। घड़ी देखते देखते बहुत ज़ोर से ब्लास्ट हुआ, भाग गए वो कस्टमर, चले गए। यहाँ भगदड़ हो गई, पब्लिक आने जाने लगी और आधे आदमी अपनी दुकानों में अंदर घुसने लगे।
तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ? पुलिस आई, कैसा हुआ? आप थोड़ा माहौल समझाएंगे हमें कैसे?
बस रश रहा, जो मतलब जो अंदर दुकानदारों के लड़के हुए वो यहाँ रश हो गया। पुलिस तो हमें बाहर पता लगा, बाहर बहुत पुलिस है, बाहर जाने नहीं दे रहे हैं किसी को भी, नाकेबंदी होगी, किसी को जाने भी नहीं थी। मैं भी गया रात को 9 बजे, तो मुझे भी उधर से दूसरी तरफ से घूम के जाना पड़ा।
A day after the blast, everything is shut. There is a bit of small activity that you see in the streets, but largely all the shops are shut. You'll see locks on doors. I am standing in the back alleys of the Digambar Jain temple, and the Digambar Jain temple is exactly where the blast had taken place. It is situated right opposite the Red Fort. So locals are saying that they heard a loud blast, they ran helter-skelter and the police arrived. But a day after, security has been tightened and nobody is allowed to open shops. Though there are some people who have walked in from back alleys, circumvented the security arrangements and then opened their shops. But by and large, there is nothing happening in these areas.
While the traffic has been restricted in these parts, Chandni Chowk had some brisk activity, with several people coming in from the Dariba Kalan road and other areas.
मैम ऐसा था, ये बच्चे की जिद थी बाइसिकल लेने की, तो हमने बहुत मना करा कि बेटा आज छुट्टी है, मार्केट बंद है, आज ना चल के हम कल देख लेंगे। तो ये बच्चे जिद इतनी करते कि मानते नहीं। इनकी जिद की वजह से हमें आना पड़ा। डर तो खैर है इस चीज़ का कि कल ऐसा हादसा हुआ है, कहीं जाने कहीं है।
Those in the area who saw the blast take place remember the mayhem and chaos that immediately spread in the area.
आपने पुलिस किसी को आते हुए देखा?
पुलिस आई थी, बाद में आई थी।
और जब ये ब्लास्ट हुआ और बिल्कुल सामने थे, आपने क्या देखा सबसे पहले?
पहले जब हुआ था ब्लास्ट फिर तो गाड़ियों में पहले गाड़ी में लगी थी
जी।
जब गाड़ी में लगी थी तो सब लोग भागने लगे, भगदड़ पड़ गई वहाँ एकदम से, तो हम भी भाग गए
जी। फिर आपने क्या देखा? जैसे आप कह रहे थे लोग जल रहे थे,
बच्चे जल रहे थे, 2 बच्चे थे इतने बड़े वहाँ पे खड़े थे, उसके मम्मी पापा भी थे।
The government has now said that as per CCTV details, the car which was used to carry out the blast was in Chandni Chowk parking lot for 3 hours before the blast took place. The area is usually crowded and overflowing with people. The government said that till now 13 people have lost their lives and several more are injured. 4 of the injured are critical and are receiving treatment at the LNJP hospital. However, many of the locals said that the number could be higher.
Bodies of the 12 deceased have been brought to the LNJP mortuary, which is where I am at right now. As many as 8 bodies have been claimed. The 8th body was of a rickshaw seller from Delhi. His body was unidentifiable for the longest time because parts of his body was missing. 4 more bodies remain in the mortuary as they have not yet been identified.
The opposition has criticized the government for the security lapse. Congress President Devendra Yadav questioned why has the Prime Minister continued his Bhutan tour in light of the incident.
नहीं, स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्थाएं देखी जा रही हैं। इमरजेंसी का आलम था, लोगों को ट्रीटमेंट जो दिया जाना चाहिए वो दिया जा रहा है, लेकिन ऐसे समय में प्रधानमंत्री जी का नहीं होना, इस देश में नहीं होना, या यहाँ जो पीड़ित हैं उनके सांत्वना देने के लिए दो शब्द अगर वो आके यहाँ पर कहते तो निश्चित ही सबको संबल मिलता। जिस देश को हम एक वर्ल्ड पावर के रूप में उभरता हुआ देखना चाहते हैं, ऐसी घटनाएं लगातार इस दौरान हो रही हैं।
With the government hinting at terror links, Delhi is staring at grim days ahead of it. The last blast that shook the capital was in 2005 when coordinated attacks in key areas of the city had claimed 62 lives. This is Amita Madhukalia from DH Video.